Hi everyone, welcome to new video. A customer brought in a 2200 watt super induction cooker the other day. It was completely dead, no response at all when plugged in. So, let's open it up. The first thing I always check is the fuse. As you can see, it's visibly burnt and black. After testing, it's confirmed as blown. Step 2. Next, I check the bridge rectifier and the power transistor IGBT. In this case, they were both normal. But to find out why the fuse blew, we need to dig deeper. I checked the varistor at the AC input, and it was fine. I also tested other suspicious components, but they were all good. Since the board is quite old, I decided to replace the fuse, the bridge rectifier, and the IGBT with new parts. When dealing with older boards like this, you must check if the 300 volts filter capacitor has lost its capacity. Now for the drive circuit. I inspected the board for any cold solder joints. I checked the drive transistors, and they tested fine. However, I noticed the first transistor, which acts as part of an 18 volts Zener diode circuit, gave an unusual reading. Initially, when I removed and tested it, it seemed normal because the surrounding resistance in the circuit was affecting the measurement. I went ahead and replaced those parts with new ones. Everything is working perfectly now, and it didn't even need a long test run. It was good to go immediately. Thanks for watching. Follow Fixbond more professional repair tips.